Hi guys, today we are going to solve the day 9 challenge. The name of the challenge is Recursion 3. So the problem asks us to write a function with the name of factorial, and in that function we should compute the factorial of the number. So we have and also we have to use a recursion, okay? So we have a recursion version of the factorial here, the form of the factorial. So we basically implement that formula, okay? So if n is less than and equal to 1, then return 1. In other cases, return n multiplied by factorial n minus 1. Okay, let's run this code. Yeah, sample test case is passed. Let's submit this code. Okay, great. So our code is actual solution of the problem. So thank you for watching this video. If you want to practice yourself, please try a random challenge. See you in the next video. Bye.